Hi, I'm Laura Watford and I lead the Faculty of Science, which includes the online access courses for nursing, midwifery and other healthcare professions. So I wanted to talk to you about the course and how we deliver it. So there's three strands to this course. One is the science curriculum content. So we're going to be supporting you with the knowledge, the foundation of science knowledge that you'll need to be able to access your further studies in that professional course. The second strand is the study skills. We'll be supporting you in your academic writing, in your ability to produce resources. We'll be supporting those skills and developing them so that when you get to your university course, you are all set. And the third strand to that is preparing you to work within the profession. We've got a team of professionals that will be here to talk to you about their experiences in the NHS, talk about the structures, and talk about how you'll function within them. So I was thinking about some of the anxieties that people might have about starting this course. So I'm imagining that maybe the profession that you've got in mind, nursing, midwifery, or another healthcare profession, is the vocation, the thing that you've dreamed of doing. And the only thing that's holding you back are the qualifications. If you're feeling nervous about the aspect of study, maybe you've been out of education for a long time, then please be reassured that we have created such a supportive online community. We have a group of the students who are on the course who support each other through the student group chat. And we also have a whole wealth of tutors and professions that work within the course who will support you with every aspect, from applying through UCAS to helping you with your science knowledge. Okay, we will be there for you. And despite being online, this doesn't feel lonely. We are there. We are there anytime you drop us a message in the chat and we will respond. If there's something that you're finding challenging through the independent study, we'll be there to support you. In fact, we even offer an additional package where if you'd like extra support, then you can include that on top of your course. And then time commitments. So as a mum of two young girls myself, I would be really nervous about the time commitment, but please let me reassure you, we run our sessions to meet the needs of our students. And if you can't attend the live session, then you can watch the recording at any time and you can replay it as many times as you want. And the other beautiful thing is that we're all working flexibly. So if you tell me I can't do a tutorial at that time, I need it to be at 10 o'clock on a Sunday morning, then I'll be there and I'll be there to support you. And I think that's what really sets us aside from other online courses. So if you are dreaming of a profession in the NHS, if you're thinking about you getting those qualifications for your next steps, then come and have a chat with us and we'd love you to join our incredible online community. Thank you.